going on, everybody? Welcome to another vlog. Today we went hiking again, spontaneous, last minute. And we're gonna be hiking and chasing the sunsets. Golden hour is about 20 minutes away. I got the whole wolf pack here. Letting them go first so I can keep an eye on them. Let's go have some fun. Don't waste it, buddy, okay?
Wait.
Yep. Yeah, let's go, keep walking. It's Brother Wolf and Mama Wolf following the pack.
Vlogging.
And I guess he is vlogging.
So we can see a nice view up here. Nice view. Stink bugs and queen ants. Say that again. And stink bugs and queen ants everywhere. She calls them queen ants.
So far it's been a good hike. Kids are discovering some big ants, so that's good exposure. And what else did you see, Sister Wolf? And stink bug? Is that what you call it? Yeah, I guess some stink bug. Can't even talk today. We're just waiting for the sunset. Golden hour is about to start, so it's gonna be another epic chasing the sunsets. So, but this time we're not in our cars. We are hiking to see the sunsets, baby.
We're hiking.
You like hiking?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
There's flowers and there's holes.
There's holes.
Yeah. And there's sticks.
Whoa.
And there's plants.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, they're like fire. Oh, another stink bug. There's two of them. Well, there's two of them. See them? No, there's three. Now there's four. Where? Right there. See that one? Right there. He's right there.
Wolf, what are you doing, Brother Wolf?
Hiking.
Yeah? How do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah? Good exercise?
Yeah.
You want to hike more?
But please tell me around. I see some guys.
Yeah, I miss hiking. Getting kind of tired a little bit, but it's good. It's a good workout. And we're pretty much enjoying it so far, but some of the legs that we have are not used to hiking, so we're probably gonna do it more often. I used to do it more before the Brother and Sister Wolf came through, and be one with nature. It's nothing that you can replace being quiet and unplug. You know, unplug your iPhones, unplug your iPads or tablets. Go hike, be one with nature. I mean, it's so awesome just to be able to just hear your heartbeat, the wind. It's irreplaceable. I'd encourage everyone to do it. So let's take a look. Let's do some B-roll. You know what? Let's go to AIR Manok.
time lapse, and we went way over there. We couldn't find it, so we keep looking all around here. AIR Manok is really high. I don't know if you can see him.
So, golden hour has set in. Hiking adventure still going on. We got AIR Manok up in the air. Got some pretty decent footage. I got some time lapse. That was a good day. We got some family bonding and nice breezy. It's not hot. It's a nice day. It's been a nice day. So let's go and start heading back. Alright, we are headed back. We just saw the sunsets. Watched it go down. It's beautiful as always. The whole pack have fun hiking, and Sister Wolf is tired. Are you tired, Sister Wolf? Are you really tired? Oh, that's a tired wolf right there. Okay, I'm gonna have to carry her, so I'm getting my workout on. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
I turned into Daddy Wolf.
Alright, I'm getting my workout in. I got Sister Wolf on my shoulder and a big backpack full of our camera gears, AIR Manok aka drone, and some water. So let's go. This wolf right
stuff them. One in the door right there.
Yeah. This wolf's giving me a workout, so you're gonna have to condition the whole wolf pack to go hiking more and more.